Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sherry and I am your TheSZMommy, and welcome to another DIY video, which will be a perfect addition to your Christmas decoration. And it's a DIY candle holder out of the materials that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I got this idea from Bargain Bethany, and I'll be putting her link below if you want to follow her for more DIY ideas. So in this project, we need this 4x6 picture frame with a black border. So I got 4 of this. And we're going to unwrap all the picture frames that we got from the Dollar Tree. And now we're going to remove the back portion of the frames, leaving only just the frame and the glass. And now with your all-purpose glue, we're going to glue down the glass into the frames. And now we are gluing or attaching all the frames all together and creating like an enclosure for our candle. And we're done, so you can be creative at this time. So I added my LED candle, which is also from the Dollar Tree, and I wrapped the candle with my leftover yarn from my Santa Gnome project. And I also added this garland around the candle holder or the enclosure with this 3D Christmas tree. So I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.